In this video, we're going to go over prompt stacks in Flow Orchestra. If you're not familiar with what a prompt stack is, it's a group of prompts that are usually run one after the other, and they typically build upon each other to get to a better result than a single prompt could get you. So to get to the prompt stack area in Flow Orchestra, you just simply go to the chat area, and you'll see here we have create stack and save stacks. This is where we create and save and run all of our prompt stacks. So we're going to create a new one. So we'll click create stack. And you can give your stack a title, and if you're going to save it, obviously you would give it a title so that it's easy to remember what it is. And this is going to be about marketing, so we'll just name it marketing stack. Now, the way that you create a prompt stack is you add a step for each prompt in the stack. For each step, you can select the assistant that you want to use. So since this is a marketing stack, I am going to use the all-around digital marketer. Now, the first prompt in this stack, we're going to actually have 4 prompts. So I'm going to pull over this first prompt and paste it in. I'm saying I'm looking to improve my content marketing strategy. What are the top 3 elements of a successful content marketing plan? Then we're going to add a second step. And again, we're going to use the digital marketer assistant. And so I'm going to grab the second prompt that will build upon the first to get us to our goal. For each of those elements, can you explain why they are important and how they contribute to overall success? Next step, again, we're going to stick with our digital marketer. And then this third step will continue building on our stack, and we'll say, can you suggest some creative ideas for content that would resonate well with my target audience based on current trends? So we have one more step, so we'll add step again. Again, we're sticking with our digital marketing assistant. And then we'll paste in our fourth and final prompt here. And it says, finally, could you outline a quarterly content calendar that incorporates those ideas and aligns with my overall marketing goals? So now that we have our prompt built with these 4 steps, we can choose to run and close, run and save, or just simply save. So we're going to go ahead and run and save. So we can see that it was saved successfully. Now it's just sending to the AI, and it's running all of the prompts. It's building upon each other. Now this will take a handful of seconds simply because it's processing the entire stack of prompts all at once. So when it comes back, we will have the responses to all of our prompts, all of the information requested. It will all build on each other, and because we put it in a way that each prompt builds upon each other, our results are going to be much better than if we just simply came in here and asked one of the questions to an assistant in a conversation. We instead put all of them into a stack, and they're currently running one after the other so that each prompt has the information that was derived from the previous prompts. So we just have to sit here and wait a few seconds, and here we go. Okay, so here's all of our information. You can see here was my first prompt, and it gave us this fantastic output telling us how we can start improving our content marketing plan. And then we followed up with another question. Can you explain why they are important? And our digital marketing assistant came back with all of the information to answer that question. And so we moved on to our next follow-up question. Can you suggest some creative ideas for content? And here we go with our digital marketing experts' suggestions on the content we could create. Interactive content, video content, UGC, trending topics, all kinds of stuff. And then our final question, could you outline a quarterly content calendar? And here we go. We have our objectives. We have month 1. We have broken down into weeks, the different ideas for each week, month 2 and month 3. And then we have some more important notes. And that is how easy it is to get extremely good, thorough output simply by executing one prompt stack. And the coolest part is that we've saved that prompt stack. So now you can see right here in our saved prompt stacks, here's our marketing stack. So when we want to run it next time, we can just simply come in here and we can hit execute. Or if we want to edit it to add a step, remove a step, change some information, we can do that. And we can also delete it or share it with the team. So that is how you use prompt stacks within Flow Orchestra to save time and, more importantly, get the optimal results from your assistants. See you in the next video.